They ruled the Ice Age, larger, stronger, and more aggressive than any wolf alive today. The dire wolf vanished 10,000 years ago, until now. But what happens when scientists try to rewrite nature's story? And could bringing back this apex predator be the biggest mistake we ever make? Dire wolves weren't just oversized grey wolves, they were beasts, weighing up to 150 pounds. They had stronger jaws and a bite force that could crush bones. They hunted mammoths, giant bisons, and other predators. Unlike modern wolves, dire wolves were more muscular and hunted in massive packs. Thanks to gene editing, specifically CRISPR-Cas9. Scientists decoded ancient direwolf DNA from fossils found in La Brea tar pits. Then they compared it to the DNA of modern wolves and dogs. But here's the twist. Direwolves aren't actually wolves. They are a completely different species, more closely related to jackals or wild dogs. Using this knowledge, researchers began building a living genome, inserting ancient direwolf genes into the embryos of surrogate species like large dogs or wolves. And then the first direwolf pup was born in a high security lab. But just because we can bring them back, should we? Here's why the return of direwolves could be dangerous to Earth. Ecological chaos. Today's ecosystems have adapted without direwolves for 10,000 years. Introducing a super predator could throw everything off balance. Prey animals could vanish. Native predators like bears, lions, or wolves might be wiped out. Genetic contamination. If direwolves breed with modern wolves or dogs, it could permanently alter the entire species' DNA, possibly erasing genetic lineages forever. Disease risks. Revived species may carry ancient viruses or bacteria that modern species, including humans, have no immunity to. Remember how one virus changed the world in 2020, yeah? Human wildlife conflict. Imagine giant aggressive predators roaming into suburbs. No fences or tranquilizers may stop a pack of direwolves if they see humans as prey. There's also the moral dilemma. Are we playing God with nature? What right do we have to revive extinct creatures in a world that's already struggling with overpopulation, climate change, and habitat loss? Could this lead to a real life Jurassic Park, but with ancient beasts roaming free and no way to stop them? The science behind resurrection is real, and the dream of seeing the past come alive is tempting. But some things are extinct for a reason. The question isn't whether we can bring back the direwolf, it's whether we are ready to face the consequences when we do. Would you want to see direwolves return? Or do you think we are crossing a line nature never wanted us to? Let me know in the comments. And if you like this deep dive, don't forget to hit like, share it, and subscribe for more mind blowing content every week. This is I'mZone, and we just explored the dark side of the science.